Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arco and myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss on QBasic programming language. Right? The full form of QBasic is Quick Beginners All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. Right? This is my first introduction video on QBasic and lots more video will come in my next video is concerned. Okay, so today we discuss how to run QBasic program, history behind the QBasic, right? What is QBasic? QBasic is a structured, high-level interpreted language. QBasic programming language was developed by Microsoft and it was publicly released in the year 1991, right? QBasic programming language was intended as replacement of QBasic. Okay, and also it is based on basic programming language. Okay, so go to the computer screen. Through QBasic IDE I will discuss the first video on QBasic programming language. So let's dive in. Hello friends, today I will discuss QBasic programming language, right? So at first I will discuss introduction to QBasic language, right? So before start the QBasic programming, it should know some history about QBasic language, right? The name QBasic is an acronym for Quick Beginners All-Purpose Symbolic Instruction Code. Actually this is the short form, we can say QBasic, right? So that's why it's an acronym, right? It was developed and launched by Microsoft company in the year 1991, right? It is considered to be one of the most ideal languages for absolute beginners. Means as a beginner language, this is also so much famous, QBasic, right? It was intended as a replacement for QBasic, right? QBasic was based on earlier QBasic 4.5 compiler, right? It is based on the basic programming language, right? It is an interpreted language and also it is a structured programming language, right? Now go to the QBasic IDE. I will discuss some program how to write the code in QBasic step by step. So go to the QBasic IDE, right? So this is the QBasic IDE actually given DOSBox 0.74, right? So there is a given, press escape to clear this dialog box. So just press escape, and if you enlarge the screen, just press Alt Enter. So we got the screen in enlarged format. This is a blue screen. Here we write our code, right? Suppose at first we write some code here. Suppose write rem and then suppose write QBasic programming language, right? So rem is what? Rem is a statement. Whatever written after rem, it is a non-executable code. Means the interpreter doesn't execute this code because it's part of the rem. Rem means remark, right? Then suppose we use CLS. CLS is a command in QBasic because this will clear the output screen. Okay, and then suppose we use print. This is a statement. When you write something after print, it will print on the output screen. Suppose we write here within double quote, QBasic is an interpreted language, and then close this, right? So whatever you write within this print statement should write in a double quote whatever the text or string we want to print in the console screen. After end of that particular statement should write end. This is also a statement, through that we can end our program, right? So now what happened, if you run this program, just given F5 is there. So before we run it, we should save that file. We know when we do some programming language, each and every programming language have some extension. So for extension of QBasic is .bas, right? So go to file and choose save as, and suppose put a name example1.bas. So whatever the file name you provide, after that the extension should be .bas for QBasic program is concerned. Okay, then press OK. So we got the name in the middle, example1.bas. Now we can run the program using just press from the keyboard F5. So just see whatever written in our program as a print statement. QBasic is an interpreted language, right? And press any key, so we again come back in our IDE. IDE means integrated development environment, right? Suppose if you don't put this CLS, so what happened? It doesn't clear the screen. Just press F5, just see two line is there, first line is not cleared. So that's why the first line is given QBasic is an interpreted language, and again it will provide the same output, QBasic is an interpreted language, right? And suppose we now put CLS, so now see what happened. Just press F5, only one statement is there, QBasic is an interpreted language. That means CLS will clear the output screen, right? So in that way we actually run our QBasic program. So this is my introduction video. So upcoming videos are on lots more on different topics which is present in the QBasic. And QBasic is a so much very beginner programming language. As a beginner, you can do lots more programming within that because it's a high level language. Lots of English keyword we are using here, rem, CLS, print, end, etc. Right? So keep watching Technical Arcane for upcoming more topics on QBasic. Right? So now we exit from there, just go to file and press exit. Now one or more loaded files are not saved, save them now. Yes, just press. So we come in the DOS mode. So from there we should put some command here. The another command is exit. Just type exit. So exit is also a command here. So press enter. So we are exit from the IDE, right? I hope you have understood today's QBasic programming language introduction part. How to run the program, how to write the code, what are the history. So if you like this video, please like it, share it more. If you have some doubts, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve your problem. Keep watching Technical Arcane for more videos. So today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.